Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a link, such as a Zoom link, to a course. So you click Turn Editing On, and for a Zoom link you probably want to put it near the top. So at the top section you add an activity or resource, scroll down and choose Label. And in this case I'm just going to use a different website, and I'm going to call it BibleArc.com. You could just call it Vaulapok if it's for a Zoom link. And then I can introduce it, and then I just click here on the link button. Click the link and type in the URL. And it's helpful to add open in new window and create link. And you can add more information down below, paste it or type it. Save and return to the course. And then what will happen when the student clicks the link is it will open a new tab and allow them to go to that website. So that's all you do, create a link in Moodle.